Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best UTV snow plow is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your UTV during winter, ensuring you can easily navigate snowy conditions and clear paths effectively, whether it's for personal use or commercial purposes. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right snow plow attachment for your UTV, considering factors such as size, weight, mounting system, and overall build quality, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. Number 5. Motoalliance Denali 72 UTV Plow. Introducing the Motoalliance Denali 72-inch Universal UTV Snow Plow Kit. It's designed for a universal fit on any UTV, making snow removal a breeze. This kit boasts a universal design, ensuring compatibility with all UTVs on the market. Years of experience and thousands of sales back up its reliability. It comes complete with everything you need: plow blade, mount system, wear bar, rubber flap, flags, push tubes, skid feet, and hardware. You'll be ready to tackle the snow in no time. Made from heavy-duty 12-gauge steel, it's built to withstand the toughest snow and ice conditions without bending or breaking. It's incredibly strong and durable. It offers 5 different positions and a 65-degree attack angle. This over-center design efficiently rolls and pushes snow forward, making quick work of any snowdrift. Designed and supported by a USA team with over 20 years of experience in the off-road industry. You'll receive expert assistance before, during, and after your purchase. What we like. This plow boasts an unparalleled universal fit, ensuring compatibility with virtually any UTV. It also comes with everything you need right out of the box, saving you time and hassle. If you value convenience and a guaranteed fit for your machine, this is the plow for you. What people say. The assembly instructions are easy to follow. They are a little tricky when it comes to figuring out how to mount the plow to the vehicle. But when you apply some common sense, it all becomes clear. The Denali designers went through a lot of thought to figure out how to accommodate a wide range of ATVs and UTVs. They provided all the hardware to handle almost any situation. This is a substantial unit and is very heavy, so if at all possible, have a friend with you when you put this baby together, as it will make life easier. However, it is not impossible to assemble by yourself even if you are 78 years old. Number 4. Denali 72 HD UTV Snow Plow. Clear your path with ease this winter. This heavy-duty plow is built to withstand the toughest conditions and is compatible with a wide range of UTVs and mini-trucks. It fits Polaris Ranger, General and RZR, Gator, Cub Cadet, CF Moto, Bench, Massimo, Kubota RTV, Honda Big Red, Pioneer and Talon, Can-Am Commander, Defender, Maverick and Trail Sport, Arctic Cat Prowler and Wildcat 1000, Rhino, RMAX, Wolverine, Viking and YXC, Kawasaki Mule and Terex. No matter your machine, it's ready to work. It's built with 11-gauge steel for lasting durability. This American-designed plow is built to tackle even the deepest snow. Installation and removal take only seconds. Plus, it allows you to keep your winch in its factory location or mount it on the plow itself. It comes with everything you need: a straight plow blade, mount plate, replaceable wear bar, push tubes, adjustable skid feet, and all the necessary hardware. It's ready to go right out of the box. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year manufacturer warranty. What we like. This heavy-duty plow is built to last with 11-gauge steel construction. The quick attach system makes installation a breeze, and the 3-year warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a durable, easy-to-use plow with excellent protection, this is a great option. What people say. The fit and finish is top-notch and all the parts and instructions were included. Since this plow has feet that keep the blade slightly above the surface, I mostly just push snow and not gravel now. Angling the plow is very easy, as to depress a lever and swing the blade with hardly any force at all. I found I could plow angled 2 notches to either side without having my wheels drive through unplowed snow. Number 3. KFI 72 Polaris Ranger Plow Kit. This kit is designed for Polaris Ranger 900 XP and XP crew models from 2013 to 2019. It's the ultimate solution for clearing snow with ease and efficiency. You can trust in its quality and durability. It's built to withstand even the toughest winter conditions. This plow boasts a flexible, heavy-duty black poly face. It's built to last and handle any snow accumulation. It features a 3/16-inch grade 50 steel rib and frame construction. This ensures superior strength and resilience. The plow includes two-sided 3/16 by 3.00 grade 50 steel wear bars. These provide extra protection against wear and tear. Everything you need is included: the plow, push tubes, and the Polaris Ranger plow mount. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. This American-made plow features a flexible yet robust poly blade, ideal for various snow conditions. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures longevity. If you prioritize quality, durability, and American craftsmanship, this plow is a top choice. What people say. Installed on my Polaris 900 XP Ranger. This is a great addition to your Side X side. It came very well packaged and I received my entire order totaling 3 boxes 4 days earlier than the date quoted. It's a little bit awkward to put together and install by yourself. But I did it in about an hour. Get some help if possible. As soon as I adjusted the tension on the springs, I was up and running. Tested it out on a pile of dirt and a little bit on the gravel driveway. It works great and is very durable. Bought it for snow but figured I would test it out on tougher surfaces to see how well it performed. This plow is sturdy and I was able to push a lot of heavy wet snow in my driveway. It easily hooks up and disconnects to the machine with 2 pins and winch cable. It works great, angles very easy, and plows better than I expected, being it is a poly plow. Number 2. Denali 66 Polaris Ranger Plow Kit. Clear your path with ease this winter. This heavy-duty kit is built to withstand the toughest conditions and is perfect for various Polaris Ranger models. It's made of 11-gauge steel for ultimate durability. 7 reinforced ribs and stabilizers ensure it can handle anything you throw at it. The plow blade is designed in America and features 4 7-gauge ribs running its full height for superior strength and stability. Everything you need is included: plow blade, mount plate, wear bar, push tubes, skid feet, and all installation hardware. It's ready to install and get to work. It's compatible with a wide range of Polaris Ranger models, from 2010 to 2022. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your machine. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year manufacturer warranty. What we like. This plow's reinforced blade design with multiple stabilizing ribs ensures superior strength and performance in tough conditions. The 3-year warranty offers additional assurance. If you need a durable and reliable plow for demanding snow removal, this one is a strong contender. What people say. The mount hooked up perfectly. This company has done their research. Holes matched up easy. It did the job without any issues and was easy to install. The mounting kit fit my Ranger perfectly. This plow was easy to install on my mom's 2015 Polaris Ranger 570 EFI midsize and performs really well. Number 1. KFI 66 ZFORCE Snow Plow Kit. Clear your path with ease this winter. This kit is designed for your CF Motoalliance, ensuring a powerful and efficient snow removal experience. It's built with pride and quality you can trust. Experience the difference of American-made craftsmanship. This heavy-duty blade tackles even the toughest snow. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the harshest winter conditions. You'll appreciate its durability and strength. This plow is designed to last. The reinforced wear bar provides superior protection against wear and tear. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy installation. Get plowing in no time. What we like. This American-made plow is constructed from heavy-duty 11-gauge steel, promising exceptional durability. The robust wear bar extends the plow's lifespan. If you value American manufacturing and long-lasting performance, this plow is worth considering. What people say. All of the parts are well made, in USA, and very heavy-duty. The blade alone is about 85 pounds, push tubes were easy to install, very solid. And the mounting plate's smallest part is about 40 pounds. Easy to install, quality parts, worth paying more for a good quality USA-made product. Setup was very simple to understand. Heavy steel construction. Great instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.